Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Top 4 Best 1. In this video, we're gonna talk about 5 coolest gadgets that are available on Amazon. Number 5. Laser Tape Measure. This laser tape measure combines laser measurement 131.2 feet and tape measurement 16.5. It innovates well measurements, especially designed for curved and uneven surface. You can switch among meter, inch and footage. Tech Life Laser Tape Measure is equipped with a 850 mAh lithium battery, supports Type-C fast charging. This laser distance meter can be fully charged in only 30 minutes, saving the charging time after a full charging. It can be used 8,000 times for single measurement, extending your use time. Laser will auto off without operating after 20 seconds, and product can auto off after 150 seconds to save energy. Number 4. Wi-Fi Security Home Camera Baby. It is 24 hours emergency response server. Wi-Fi motion alerts and live video feeds are now equipped with the option and identically involve non-light certified emergency dispatchers who coordinate with police, fire and EMS agencies. It will protect your home from enemies. AI-powered human detected alert of motion detected alerts can be set up by sensitivity levels from high to low, emanates false position caused by flying inside small bits of light changes. Number 3. Anti-Spy Detector. Sherry Camera Detector is an effective hidden camera lens detector that helps you detect various hidden devices in the surrounding environment, such as hidden spy cameras, GPS detector, and bug import ultra-high sensitivity chips. So if you want that gadget, link in the description, buy that product and enjoy that. Number 2. Webcam Cover. Camera cover slide is only 0.027 in thick, which will not interface with your closing lid of your laptop. It is made up of premium high-strength ABS plastic, could provide long-term reliable protection for your privacy, high safety, and protect your online privacy and prevents hackers from spying on your private life. Also protect your front side camera from dirt and dust. So buy that product and enjoy. Number 1. Walabot Die. Android compatible only. Stuff finder and wall scanner detects stuffs, metal and wooden pipes and wires, and movement work on driving. Sees 4 and 10 cm deep into your walls. Provides 2 different sensing modes, images and expert. Detects wood, metal and stuff. Thanks for watching. If you like any product, link in the description, buy that product and enjoy.